Hi friends, welcome in this online class of Jijav Jnana Tirth Vidyalay, Pathri Road, Parvani. Today we have to see the science of 7th standard. In this 7th standard science book, today we have to see the second chapter. We have seen the information about first chapter in the last lecture. The name of the second chapter, that is plant structure and function. What help us to easily identify the plants around us? Which are the various parts of plant? See, the root, stem, leaves, flower, fruits, etc. of different plants are different. They are unique for that type of plant. Okay? That's why the parts of these plants are different from one another in the shape of that leaves of that plant, fruit, or color of that fruit, size of that fruit, taste of that fruit. These are different things from one another plants. Okay, next we can identify plants with the help of these different characteristics. Let us now acquaint ourselves with this plant organ in greater details. So friends, now we have to see the information about that specific organ or part of that plant. In this, the first part is root. Okay, keep a moisten ball of crumb paper in a conical flask. Place some soaked month beans of gram seed in a flask between the paper and glass walls. Observe and note the changes in the seeds in 2 or 3 days. Okay, this experiment I think we have done already, but repeat once again. Okay, see in this picture, after 2-3 days, the parts that grows from inside the seed towards the soil is called the radicle. We called it as in Marathi Adimul, and the part that grows above the soil is called plumule. त्यालाच आपण मराठीमध्ये काय म्हणतो, अंकुर असं म्हणतो. When there is a germination of that seed, there are 2 parts come out of that seed that grows below the soil, and second one is below above the soil. The part above the soil we called it as a plumule, and the part grows below the soil we call it as a radicle. The root that forms from the radicle grows into the ground. The root is thick near the ground and gradually tapers to the pointed end. This part of the plant growing below the soil for support is called root. So root gives support to grow the plant and the necessary things, nutrients, water, that is also supplied by the root to the all parts of the plant. Roots of the some plant produce secondary roots. See, like this. That pictures show on the screen. Observe this picture carefully. Roots of some plant produce secondary roots that grow obliquely and spread far and wide in the soil. Roots support the plant. This type of root called is called a taproot. See, this is the taproot, and there is a secondary root, त्यालाच उपमूळ म्हणतात. आफ्टर दॅट प्रायमरी रूट, प्राथमिक मूळ, रूट हेअर्स मूलरोम, रूट टिप मूलाग्र, रूट कॅप मूल टोपी. ओके, these are the different parts present in the टॅप रूट. त्यालाच मराठीमध्ये काय म्हणतात, सोटमूळ असं सुद्धा म्हणतात. रूट bears hair like processes near the root tip. These are root hairs. The root tip is delicate. This is the region of the growth of the root. The tip is covered by cap-like structure called the root cap. The root cap protects the root tip from injury. If the cap is not present, the inner part of that cap, that is damaged, so that plant or the root of that plant can't grow or provide the necessary constituents, constituents to plant, and that plant finally dead. So there is must to be take care about the root cap. Second one, take a glass jar and fill 3/4 of it with water. See in the picture. Place an onion on the mouth of the jar in such a way that its roots are towards the water. Observe the growth of the roots for 8 days. Thread-like or fiber-like roots arising from the stem are called fibrous root. See, first type of root we have seen in the before some time, that is taproot. Now we are in the second type of root, fibrous root. Thus there are two main types of roots, taproot and fibrous root. Dicotyledonous plants have taproot while monocotyledonous plants have fibrous root. See, these are the most important points. Dicotyledonous plant have taproot and monocotyledonous plant have fibrous roots. Okay, next point, sow the seeds of plant like mustard, sorghum, maize, pea, coriander, etc. in an earthen pot. Cultivate the plant for 8 days. Once the plant grows 50 to 20 centimeter high, uproot them carefully while the soil is moist and put them gently in the large conical flask containing water. The soil will get washed off without any harm to the root. Observe the roots carefully to see which plants have taproots and which one have fibrous root. So On the basis of this topic, we can observe the type of seed and type of root. Okay, next, plants like maize, sugarcane, sorghum have two types of roots. Some roots are underground, whereas some grow from the stem just above the soil. The latter are called adventitious roots. Beside the normal functions like absorption of water and minerals, anchoring and supporting the plant, roots perform some other functions too. Roots show some modification to perform these additional functions. Some examples of such modified roots are aerial roots, silt root, runners, breathing root, etc. Okay, next, take some water in a small glass jar, put a plantlet in it in such a way that its roots are deep in the water. Mark the water level on the jar and add 5 ml of oil to the water. Record the water level on the next day. Discuss your observation in the class. Okay, so friends, we have to see the information about the type of roots and their function also. So friends, next topic we have to see in the next lecture. We will stop here. Okay, thank you.